Hello everyone, my name is Ashlin D'Souza और आप देख रहे हो Ashlin Explains. So without any further ado, let's get started. आज के वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे हाउ टू चेक वाईफाई पासवर्ड ऑन योर एंड्रॉयड फोन. मेथड नंबर 1, go to your settings, go to Wi-Fi, tap the connected Wi-Fi network, tap share or QR code, verify identity, and you will have your password over here. You can directly read the password over here or you can scan it and you'll directly get connected. Method number 2, go to your settings, click on Wi-Fi, click on the 3 dots in the top, more settings, click on saved networks. You will have all your previous saved networks. Just click on any one, click on share, again verify identity, and you have your password over here, and if you want you can directly scan it. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, do drop a like and subscribe to my channel.